Hello, let us make this yummy corn snack together. So the first thing you have to do is to pick your dried corn and then make sure you rinse it very well. And then after then you have to place it on fire and allow it to boil till it is moderately soft that you can be able to bite it with your feet. Then after then you have to go ahead and blend it. Place it in your blender and blend till it is very smooth, but it must be thick. Blend it smoother than this, but it must be very thick. So after then dispense it in whatever dispense it in your bowl and then prepare your onions. This snack requires a lot of onions, a considerable amount of onion, and blend your onions or grate it because there was no light, so I had to use my grater. After that, we are going to use potash. It is used as tenderizer, but we are going to use it as leavening agent for this recipe. It is called corn in Nigeria. It is also called trona. So you dissolve a little quantity of trona in water because we are going to be adding it into our corn, into our blended corn. So after then, you can see that all our ingredients is ready. So yeah, we have all our ingredients. So the next thing we are going to do now is what? You have watched till this moment and you haven't subscribed or liked this video, quickly go and do so now. That was just on a lighter mood, guys. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to divide. We are going to take out of this portion. We're not going to use everything directly, so this is what we're going to do. So this is the little portion that I took out of the over crushed or blended corn. So after that, we're going to add our onions. Remember I said it requires a whole lot of onions to give it the taste. So this is about 2 TBS. I'll add more. This is about 3 TBS of onions. And of course our potash water. So you just add little, this half teaspoon, just little so it does not become too much. Then after which I will add salt. This is salt, half teaspoon of salt. Should be just fine. You have to be careful so it does not become too salty. So while doing this, the oil is already on fire. The oil is already on fire, so you have to mix. Now corn batter is ready and the oil is very hot, but make sure that it is not too hot so that your masa can be properly done. So just scoop it in just like you are seeing it here, little quantity like that, and just scoop it into your oil. You can see that this oil is very hot, so make sure you reduce it to low heat as you continue frying. See what we've got. This was delicious, and see it is soft. It is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. So as masa is popularly done, sprinkle sugar on it just to give it an additional taste. Thank you for watching. Check out my other corn snack recipe and watch out for my next video on super crunchy corn masa. See you. Bye bye.